In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Uklash promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search right here for Uklash discount code. So right here, let's scroll down a little bit and select this website, which is retrieve.com. Right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes and deals. And for example, if I want to get this 10% off my next purchase, all I have to do is just select copy code right here. So basically, this is my discount code, and if I'm going to use this on my next purchase, I'm going to get the 10% off site-wide. So if I'm going back to my Google search right here and scroll down a little bit, we also have this couponbirds.com website, which I also recommend you to use. And for example, right here, if I want to select this 10% off discount, all I have to do is select this option with get code, and this is my code right here. So I can copy this code and I can use that on my purchase in order to get the 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.